Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check creator sites on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, that's the home screen. You can find different mangas, but if you want to check the creator's site, go to the pencil and the brush icon at the lower bar on the home screen next to the search icon. And new, you can find the Manga Plus and creators section. Here you can find different updates, you can find new mangas, populars, and you can check the monthly awards. And if you want to check one, for example, the jaded pet, click that and you can check. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.